right? So we gave them an opportunity कि आप वापस से store पे जा सकते हैं. So we found out newer role for those people. People were good. There were some initiatives जो हमने चलाए थे जहाँ पे we found कि यार ये initiative भी बंद करना पड़ेगा, but people also we cannot use. And then we have been very transparent enough. For past few months we have been building that what we are trying to do. And as soon as we took that call, the एक और चीज़ जो important हो जाती है that you take call at the right time, right? You don't delay the call. कि यार मैं 2 महीने और देखता हूँ, मैं 3 महीने और देखता हूँ. Because then you will not be able to do a justice with the force which you are parting ways with, right? So हमने उसको बहुत पहले कॉल लिया. And there are a lot of companies जो सही टाइम पे कॉल लेती हैं, कुछ कंपनीज लेट हो जाती हैं. जब लेट हो जाती है तो उनको इमीडिएटली बताना पड़ता है और इमीडिएटली रिलीज करना पड़ता है लोगों को. We have been there are very few people we have to, or one initiative we have to close, and we have been very transparent about it. And then we gave them a very long runway so that they can plan themselves. And then we had put our own internal resources to outplace them. And we have 90% of the people we have been able to outplace because of our connection. So that is what we did, so that we have the minimal impact when it comes to people. When it comes to some operations efficiency and all, it is all वो तो करना ही चाहिए, उसमें there is no problem. So this is how in any company's journey, be it external winter, be it their own problems जिनके कारण वो company कहीं पे जाके stuck हो गई है, they should realize faster, be transparent to their employees, be transparent to their investors, and that is where the trust gets fostered. And trust है तो फिर you can overcome any challenge, because it becomes very important. जब कुछ लोग गए और दूसरे लोग जो बचे हैं वो भी फिर ये सोचते रहते हैं कि यार हमारा नंबर कब आएगा, right? And that becomes a very negative environment in the company. But if you are very transparent, then everybody knows कि यार क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, and how as a company we are overcoming this. And when the people who are left, they become very trusted source for you, and they really trust you, you trust them, and then you can definitely overcome this challenge. This is how one of the way I feel is working for us, and we have been doing that.
So basically, for any company, whichever stage, I think if you really want to not have very tough conversations with your investors, you have to, before you invest any amount or use any money, you should ask two things. At least we have been doing this. Is it going to increase patient care or brand value, or is it going to increase revenue? अगर ये दो चीज़ नहीं है तो वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. हमको एक फैंसी सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए या फिर एक फैंसी ऑफिस चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. हमारी ऑफिस विलेपार्ले में ही है. मोस्ट ऑफ आवर वर्क इज ऑन द फील्ड. वी डोंट नीड अ फैंसी ऑफिस, वी नीड अ वेयर हाउस, एंड दैट ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी हाई. वी हैव पर्पसली केप्ट आवर वेयर हाउस वेरी स्मॉल. वाई? उसको भरना नहीं है. इफ देयर इज अ मशीन और इक्विपमेंट लाइन हो गई, इट्स नॉट मेकिंग अस मनी. इट हैज टू बी आउट देयर ऑन द फील्ड. सो द इन्वेस्टर्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी शार्प विद दिस. सो अगर आपने ये दो सवाल किए हैं कि इज इट इंक्रीजिंग द पेशेंट केयर, is it increasing the revenue? If you start off with this mindset and then use that rupee, then I think it will be very easy for you to have a conversation with the investor and justify why your company is doing what it's doing. So this is what Anzal does.
Okay, so I think we are now at the end of the panel discussion, but before ending it, I want to toss it to the audiences. Anybody has any questions from any of these panelists? Anybody, you have a startup idea, you can share that as well. Get it validated right here. Or any suggestion? Yeah, there's a guy there. So can we please give him a mic? I think third last row.
Okay, so I think this question will be for Shashank and this is Siddharth. Okay. So basically, when you were starting, okay, what was your strategy to hire the employee? So what were you looking for in early stage? Okay, in your
strategy for hiring an employee. So basically, right. So if you see the organization structure, if you know what is your product and your services offering, you know exactly, you should, as a founder, know what are the things that need the most, which has the most urgency. I'll give you my example. We started off with operations. Operations, so the dialysis technicians, the hospital management people. So operations was number one. Then we added accounts because now actually money started flowing, fortunately. So then we needed accounts department. तब तक accounts team था ही नहीं, मैं खुद ही कर रहा था Excel पे. Then we got tally and these kind of things. So then came accounts. Then we saw that there is little bit of growth and all that. So then we added a software so that we can centralize our operations management. Then came marketing because if we have 2 or 3 dialysis centers, what am I going to market and whom am I going to impress? So until and unless I have 15, 20 dialysis center here and there, I have something to market. So then came marketing. So whenever you are hiring, see what is the most important thing and then build on it and have all the support functions. Now, after 2.5 years of inception, now we are getting an HR, started. So these are the things how you should be very frugal and what is the most important, you need to prioritize it that way. This is how we have done.
या फॉर अस बिल्कुल सही है, मतलब स्टार्टिंग करोगे तो बहुत सारे काम खुद को ही करना है एंड देन जैसे जैसे धंधा बढ़ता जाएगा पता लगाते जाओ कौन सा काम डेलीगेट करना है एंड वो काम के लिए यू टेक पीपल इन. व्हाट वी हैव डन इज एट दैट टाइम सिंस वी वर अ मिशन कंपनी डे जीरो जब हमने स्टार्ट किया दैट हु बिलीव्स इन जेनरिक्स, हु बिलीव्स इन democratization of healthcare. For us that becomes one of the key criteria for us to attract the talent. तो अगर हम किसी भी फार्मेसिस्ट से भी बात करते थे टू हायर करने के लिए, उसका बैकग्राउंड कैसा है, उसका घर कैसा है, राइट? तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज होती हैं जो एक वैल्यू सिस्टम में ऑपरेट करती हैं एंड वी आर ऑल्सो ऑपरेटिंग इन. सो वो मिडिल क्लास है क्या, राइट? एंड क्या उसने इस तरह के टफ सिचुएशन फेस किए जहाँ पे उसको भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आई है, सो दैट ही विल बी एबल टू carry our mission and communicate with consumer in the same way as we have been communicating. So the idea is right कि जैसे जैसे आपको पता चलता जाएगा आपको कौन से verticals में लोग ले रहे हैं आप वो लेंगे and then they will have an ecosystem या आपका एक value system होगा, उस value system के अंतर्गत आप लोगों को लेंगे. For us it was something like जो middle class है, जो value of money है, जहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ financial crisis रहे हैं, those people were the early people who were into the mission and are with us today as well, जिसको हमने आज से 5 साल पहले हायर किया था. They started with barcoding and now they are handling our warehouse manager, being warehouse manager, right? So those are the people which really are with us now. But at the start, you are the only guy जो सारा काम कर रहा है, account से लेके HR से लेके everything. And as you grow, you figure out कि आपको आपका time कहाँ देना है, कौन सी चीज़ के लिए आपको hire करना है.
So mainly it's like something when you are early, okay, so you go for the expertise or how is it? So with another format.
डिपेंड करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपका आइडिया ऐसा है ना, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे केस में क्या था कि हम चेंज कर रहे थे एक इंडस्ट्री को, देन यू डोंट नीड एक्सपर्ट हु इज बायस्ड एंड वो बोले कि यार चेंज ही नहीं हो सकता है. बट अगर मैं फाइनेंस हायर कर रहा हूँ तो आई नीड एन एक्सपर्ट क्योंकि उसमें मैं कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा हूँ, राइट? सो आपके बिजनेस के लिए जब आप ऐसी चीज़ कर रहे हो जहाँ पे आप कुछ चैलेंज कर रहे हो, है ना, एंड यू डोंट नीड समबडी टू कम विद अ बैगेज, यू हायर इन दैट फंक्शन, दैट रोल, that kind of person. But there are enough and more roles जहाँ पे आपको हर बार कुछ change नहीं करना है. In those roles you definitely hire experts so that आपका काम कम हो, otherwise आपको उसको learn करवाना है. So the roles where you want कि आपको कोई आके सिखाए is something you hire as an expert. एक रोल जो आपको पता है आपके बिजनेस का कोर क्या है ना, और वो अगर डिसरप्शन की तरह है, वो चेंज कर रहा है, you are the main source and you will find people like you who can really change that, अगर वो वैसा कुछ उसमें function है तो.
Okay. You talked about experts, right? I mean, see, there's one way of getting the experts is bring them as consultant or bring them as mentors or co-opt them as a co-founder with you if you feel that they are very critical to your business. These are the 3 things that you can do.
Got it.
One more question.
Hello, I would like to know that how the decision making process goes on. Like sometimes there are decisions which can be taken in 5 minutes or 2 hours maybe. But you have a co-founder, you have investors. Now you have to consult all of them. And then you can implement some things in the organization. So how do you manage this?
Who is this question for?
Both of you, like you are the
सो यार एक बात अपने को समझना पड़ेगा, है ना? द पॉइंट इज दैट whoever is giving you the money is backing you and your decisions, right? अगर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि मैं डिसीजन लेके उसको कैसे समझाऊंगा, को फाउंडर को कैसे समझाऊंगा, अगर को फाउंडर है तो देन दे आर बैकिंग बोथ ऑफ यू एंड यू बोथ हैव द सेम, यू शुड हैव द सेम डिसीजन. बट लेट्स से यू आर देयर, सो दे आर बैकिंग यू एंड यू शुड बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन योर डिसीजन, राइट? उनको पता ही नहीं है, लेट्स से इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, उनको नहीं पता कि आप कौन सा डिसीजन लाने वाले, उसमें क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिएगा. व्हाट दे आर बैकिंग इज योर एबिलिटी टू टेक द राइट डिसीजन एंड कॉज इट. द मोमेंट आप इस पे आ गए कि आप बताओ क्या करने वाले हैं, इस डिसीजन में क्या करना है, देन द होल गेम इज गॉन बेसिकली, है ना? सो कोई भी मोमेंट ऐसा है जहाँ पे आप बोलोगे, हो सकता है इन्वेस्टर बोल रहा हो नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा, बट यू आर फर्म, देन यू कैन कन्विंस द इन्वेस्टर, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू आर फर्म यू विल रियली कॉज इट. So it is only you who will take the decisions and everybody will support, because that is the premise जिस पे उन्होंने invest भी आप पे किया है, thinking of your decisions, your whatever you have achieved so far. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, the only thing I would like to add is it's about the business plan and the market. वो तो 6 या 7 स्लाइड की एक पिच होता ही है. What is the problem? How are you going to solve it? How are you going to solve it? And what is the market size and what is the revenue model? ये सब एक standard चीज होती है, but more likely than you would think, investors see the founder rather than the business plan. Sometimes the business plan is tough or it's a disruption, but they are seeing that are you the man who's going to, or are you the lady who's going to be able to get there?
Thank you.
So Shefali, I have a question to both Ajay Jain as well as Siddharth and Shashank. Valuation is a matter of judgment. So did you felt anywhere कि यार सस्ते में स्टेक दे दिया? हाँ? And whether you also had a similar feeling for the same kind of investment, you thought
महंगा खरीद लिया.
थोड़ा और negotiate कर लेता. Then who is right, who is wrong?
So in the beginning, it's always art rather than science, and later on, it becomes more towards science because it's the numbers and there's multiplications and whatever you have achieved. Initially, there is an intangible trust